Fireblocks Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Fireblocks Wallet app is often called the gold standard for institutional crypto custody. But what makes it different from regular wallets, and is it really as secure as it claims? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Fireblocks is designed for enterprises, exchanges, and financial institutions that need to manage large volumes of digital assets securely. It's not your average mobile wallet, it's a full-scale platform for crypto operations. The biggest strength of Fireblocks lies in its multi-party computation and technology. Instead of storing private keys in one place, it splits them into multiple encrypted shares, making them virtually impossible to hack or steal. This is a major upgrade from traditional wallet security. It also offers automated policy control. Businesses can define who can move assets, under what conditions, and with how many approvals. It's like having bank-level governance for digital assets. Another huge advantage is speed. Fireblocks connects directly to exchanges, DeFi platforms, and custodians, enabling fast transfers without compromising safety. That's why major institutions like banks and hedge funds trust it to manage billions in crypto. But let's talk about the cons. Fireblocks is not built for casual users. The platform is enterprise-grade, meaning setup and pricing are tailored for organizations, not individuals. It also relies on cloud infrastructure, which while secure may concern those who prefer fully offline, hardware-based storage. And finally, with great power comes great complexity. Learning to use Fireblocks effectively requires training and understanding of institutional workflows, which might overwhelm smaller teams. In conclusion, the Fireblocks Wallet app is the ultimate solution for serious players, institutions that prioritize security, compliance, and operational efficiency. It's not a beginner's wallet, but for professionals managing large sums, it's a fortress of digital protection. If your goal is to combine top-tier security with institutional-level scalability, Fireblocks sets the standard others aspire to reach.